Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our class. So the day today is Friday, 18 September 2020. The day today is Friday, 18 September 2020. So last time on Friday we had phonics. I said in phonics there are sounds and sounds with their pictures. Sounds like sounds like ah, sounds like ah, sounds like ah, 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 sounds like E. So for us we saw a certain sound. Which sound is this, friends? Which sound is this? This is sound. This is sound. Then we saw a certain picture, and that picture was what is this, friends? What is this? I said sounds for. What is this? This is Mr. Sun. Sounds for sun. For sun. Sounds for sun. And we colored Mr. Sun with color yellow. Color yellow. This is sun. Can you say sun? Sun. Sun. Sounds for sun. Sounds for sun. This is sun. Sun is color yellow. It is shining. Wow. We have another thing here. It is for sun. We have something here. This is, what is this, friends? This is star. Star. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars, how I wonder what you are. Up above, so high, like a diamond in the star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Sounds for sun, sounds for star. This is star. It is, we are going to color it with color blue. With color blue. So it becomes star. Blue star. We said this week is a blue week. Last week it was yellow week. So this is star. Star. Can you say, all of you say star? Star. Star. Sounds for star. So we are going to color star with color blue. Can we color it? Yes. So you make sure you don't color outside. You color inside. You color where? Inside. Very well, like Teacher Rina. You don't color outside. You be good child. Wow. Do you know when you color it very well? Tonight, Mr. Star will come to visit you, and you pray with him. You pray with him very well. Yes, friends, this is sky blue. It is blue star. It is a blue star. It is a blue star. Wow. Are you seeing? Is it so beautiful? This is star. Star for sun. For sounds. I mean star for sound, not for sun. Sorry. This is star for sound, star. We have sun. We have sun. We have sun also. It is for sound. We have sun. It is for sound. Are you seeing them? This is sun. Sun is color yellow. Star is color blue. Blue. This is color blue. On Monday we saw color blue. I said this week is color blue week. Last week it was color yellow week. So we have seen last Friday you colored sun. So this Friday you are going to color star. Sounds for star. For sun. For sun. For star. Star. Sun. Star. Sun. Star. Sounds. The word star starts with sound s, so that's why we say star for sun, sounds for star, sounds for sun. Sorry for the mistake. Sound s for star, sounds for sun. This is sun, this is star, sounds for star, sounds for sun. So friends, thank you. So hope you had a lovely night, a lovely lesson. So we have said that sounds, we are coloring pictures for sounds. Sound, this is sound, this is sounds, sounds for star, sounds for star, sounds for sun, sounds for sun. So I love you. Have a lovely week. Remember to do your work and hand in. Then tomorrow we have a live class. Be there on time. Bye-bye.